Welcome again to Create, Change, Design with no space between. I'll explain that later. I know everyone is well into fall decorating. I'm late to the season. Since I'm a new podcaster, there is a lot to learn. I didn't realize it took so long to video, edit, record what I want to say, etc. Believe it or not, thinking of what to say is the hardest. I'm always so worried about how it will come across to people. As you can tell, on my first 2 episodes, I did okay, but, well, I decided to just be myself, and hopefully you will like it. Here goes. We're renting a simple ranch-style home. I like to watch a lot of home decorating videos. I used to think I can't measure up, but now I'm just going for it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. You might be looking at this stand and saying, you should just throw it out. Well, I've had it out on the front porch for years, and it really becomes handy for delivery packages. It's been outside for so long that it was getting very weathered. When one of the doors started hanging by one hinge, I decided to fix it up. Here I am in the very dark garage with absolutely no windows. If I owned this house, I would totally put a couple of windows in it. I decided to remove the heart doors and the heart trim, which are so out of date. I did a rough sanding so the new paint will stick. I added screws and nails where needed to make it sturdy. Then I put fresh paint over the bottom areas and varathane to the top. I'm not trying to make it water resistant. It will always be under the porch cover. What a great third video the porch stand makes, don't you think? Let me know in the comments. I think it's a nice, real wood stand. Doesn't it look great on the porch? But wait, I'm so excited to tell you about the book I wrote. It's called Mike and Grandma's Adventures. You're going to love reading it to the children in your life. It's great for story time at school or church or the library or bedtime or anywhere. Children will also want to read the stories over and over again. The link to order my book is in the descriptions below. But wait, there's still another DIY for you. Back in the 80s, we used to make knot pillows. Here's how it's done. You buy 1 yard of the fabric you like. Lay it out with the right side down. Then place your pillow at the diagonal. Fold one corner over tight and flat. Then do the same with the opposite corner. Hold them while you turn the fabric. You need to fold the little sides in so they won't stick out. Once you've done that, grab the length of the third corner in the middle. Then do the opposite corner the same. Now pull them tightly to the top and tie them in a tight knot. Now tuck in the ends and other areas that need tucking. So simple. Oh yeah, I told you I would explain Create, Change, Design with no space between. There is someone else out there with the same name. I didn't know that until after I started my channel. They have spaces. I already made mine without spaces, so now I'm playing it up so people would be able to find me quickly. Also, be looking for my merch with that same logo on it. Create, change, design with no space between. So exciting. I got these 2 projects ready to put on our fall porch. That will be in the next video. I already decorated the porch in time for the trick-or-treaters. We don't like scary, evil things, and we only want to have nice things that show how much we love God and want to encourage people. Now here's another way. I chose light blue as an accent color because of the blue in the bird fabric and the flowers in the fall wreath I made in the second video. Here I'm doing a square fold. It works better on larger pillow forms. You'll see that I didn't really like them in the square form, so I changed them into the knot form. Again, so simple. When you're ready for the next season, just fold these fabrics and store them for next year. Be sure to check out the next video of the fall porch. I hope you enjoyed watching. Until next time, happy Thanksgiving!